Using dumbbells for a full body workout is an excellent way to build strength, improve flexibility, and boost endurance. Whether you're at home or in the gym, all you need is a pair of dumbbells to get a challenging workout. This video will guide you through a full body dumbbell workout, perfect for beginners or even seasoned fitness enthusiasts. You will learn about the exercises, how to perform them, and the benefits they offer. Why dumbbells are effective for full body workouts. Dumbbells are one of the most versatile pieces of fitness equipment. They allow you to work out multiple muscle groups, improve stability, and increase strength. One of the key advantages of dumbbells is that they engage both sides of the body independently. This helps to fix imbalances in muscle strength and endurance. Moreover, they offer a wide range of motion compared to machines or barbells, allowing you to target muscles from different angles. Benefits: dumbbells improve strength by targeting each muscle group thoroughly, enhancing overall fitness. They also increase balance and coordination due to the stability required for proper control. Additionally, their wide range of motion promotes flexibility in muscles and joints, making workouts time-efficient. Full-body dumbbells only workout routine. Warm-up. Before diving into your dumbbell workout, warming up is crucial. A proper warm-up boosts blood flow to your muscles, loosens joints, and minimizes injury risk. Here's an easy routine. Arm circles, 30 seconds each direction. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Raise your arms to the sides and create small circles forward and backward. Hip circles, 30 seconds each direction. Place your hands on your hips and rotate your hips in a circular motion. Bodyweight squats, 10 to 15 reps. Stand shoulder-width apart. Squat as if sitting in a chair, then return to standing. Jumping jacks, 30 seconds. Jump feet out while raising arms overhead, then return to start. Now that your muscles are warm, let's move on to the main workout. 1. Dumbbell squats. The squat is a fundamental lower body exercise that targets the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. Adding dumbbells to the movement increases the intensity and engages your core for stabilization. How to perform. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand. Lower your body into a squat position by bending your knees and pushing your hips back, as if you're sitting down in a chair. Keep your chest up and make sure your knees don't go past your toes. Push through your heels to stand back up. Reps and sets. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. 2. Dumbbell bench press. The bench press is an excellent upper body exercise that targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps. If you don't have a bench, you can do a floor press, which is just as effective. How to perform. Lie flat on a bench or on the floor with a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing forward. Press the dumbbells up until your arms are fully extended. Slowly lower the dumbbells until your elbows are at a 90-degree angle, then press them back up. Reps and sets. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. 3. Dumbbell deadlifts. Deadlifts are one of the best exercises for strengthening your posterior chain, including your hamstrings, glutes, and lower back. Using dumbbells instead of a barbell increases the focus on stability and balance. How to perform. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand in front of your thighs. With a slight bend in your knees, hinge at your hips and lower the dumbbells down your legs while keeping your back flat. Lower until you feel a stretch in your hamstrings, then return to the starting position by driving your hips forward. Reps and sets. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. 4. Dumbbell rows. This exercise targets the muscles in your upper back, shoulders, and arms, specifically the lats and biceps. How to perform. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and hold a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing your body. Bend at your hips and slightly bend your knees, keeping your back straight. Pull the dumbbells towards your waist, squeezing your shoulder blades together at the top of the movement. Slowly lower the dumbbells back down. Reps and sets. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. 5. Dumbbell lunges. Lunges are great for targeting the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes while also improving balance and coordination. Holding dumbbells adds resistance to increase the intensity of the exercise. How to perform. Stand with your feet together, holding a dumbbell in each hand by your sides. Step forward with one leg and lower your body until both knees are bent at 90-degree angles. Push off with your front leg to return to the starting position and switch legs. Reps and sets. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per leg. 6. Dumbbell shoulder press. This exercise focuses on building strength in the shoulders and arms, specifically targeting the deltoid muscles. How to perform. Stand or sit with a dumbbell in each hand at shoulder height, palms facing forward. Press the dumbbells overhead until your arms are fully extended. Slowly lower the dumbbells back to shoulder height. Reps and sets. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. 7. Dumbbell Russian twists. This core exercise targets your obliques and helps build rotational strength, which is important for overall core stability. How to perform. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat, holding a single dumbbell with both hands. Lean back slightly to engage your core, then twist your torso to the right, bringing the dumbbell toward the floor. Twist to the left side, making sure to keep your core engaged throughout. Reps and sets. Perform 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps per side. 8. Dumbbell bicep curls. For focused arm work, the bicep curl targets the front of your arms, helping to develop stronger biceps. How to perform. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand with palms facing forward. Keep your elbows close to your body and curl the dumbbells up toward your shoulders. Lower the dumbbells back down in a controlled motion. Reps and sets. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. 9. Dumbbell tricep extensions. To target the back of your arms, the triceps extension works the triceps muscle, helping to tone and strengthen this area. How to perform. Stand or sit with a dumbbell held overhead with both hands. Lower the dumbbell behind your head by bending your elbows. Press the dumbbell back up by extending your elbows, making sure to engage your triceps. Reps and sets. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Cool down. After completing your workout, it's essential to cool down and stretch your muscles. Stretching helps improve flexibility and can reduce muscle soreness. Hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor with one leg extended and reach toward your toes. Quadricep stretch. Stand on one leg and pull your other foot toward your glutes. Shoulder stretch. Cross one arm across your body and hold it with your opposite hand. Chest stretch. Place your hands behind your back and interlock your fingers, pushing your chest out. Hold each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds. How often should you do this full body workout? For best results, aim to perform this dumbbell-only workout 2 to 3 times per week. Make sure to rest for at least 1 day between sessions to allow your muscles to recover. If you're new to strength training, start with lighter weights and gradually increase the weight as you become stronger and more comfortable with the movements. In conclusion, a full-body dumbbell workout effectively builds muscle, boosts strength, and enhances overall fitness. This versatile routine targets all major muscle groups, providing a balanced approach to exercise. For more valuable content and updates, subscribe to our channel and stay motivated on your fitness journey. Thank you. Also, check out this video